Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the spices and medicinal plants native to Southeast Asia. This plant then spread to Malaysia, Indonesia, Australia, and even Africa. Almost every Indonesian and Indian and generally Asian people have consumed this spice plant either as a complement to cooking spices, herbs, or medicine to maintain health and beauty, such as use in skin and facial treatments. Turmeric provides several beneficial ingredients for the body. Turmeric contains curcumin, which works to increase endurance, increase the body's defense system against viruses or bacteria that cause disease. The content in turmeric, called curcumin, is an antioxidant that has a potent anti-inflammatory effect. The content of curcumin in turmeric will seep into the human bloodstream and reduce pressure on the stomach. By consuming turmeric, the pressure on the stomach feels light and relieved, thereby reducing nausea. The curcumin in turmeric helps reduce gas pressure in the stomach and helps the stomach to stop excessive acid production. For women who experience menstruation, sometimes the stomach feels pain and makes it uncomfortable when doing activities. For women, you must be familiar with the turmeric and tamarind herbal medicine, which is believed to relieve pain during menstruation. This is because the content of turmeric curcumin can relax uterine contractions. Turmeric also helps reduce the influx of calcium ions into the uterine epithelial cells and reduces the production of prostaglandins, hormones that cause pain. Given the existence of several types of turmeric, to treat cancer metastases, you can use white turmeric. This is due to the presence of curcumin, which can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer. The presence of curcumin and bisdimethoxycurcumin in turmeric has a function as an anti-allergic compound that can help relieve itching in the body. Another health benefit of turmeric is to ward off bacteria. For those of you who are feeling sick to your stomach, you can drink a warm turmeric solution that can help relieve. If you are experiencing heartburn, you can try consuming a turmeric solution first and drink it regularly. Turmeric can help reduce the frequency of recurrence of ulcer symptoms. The content of curcumin in turmeric can control the excessive production of stomach acid and bile. By consuming turmeric, it can reduce the intensity of stomach pain caused by intestinal inflammation. The benefits of turmeric are due to the presence of antioxidants and curcumin, which launch the performance of the digestive muscles. Fights infections in the body. The content of white turmeric can fight the development of fungi and bacteria in the body. Research says that turmeric extract can prevent liver damage and keep it healthy. So from now on, it's a good idea to always have turmeric ready at home as a form of anticipation and an early way to overcome the disease. You can also buy herbs with turmeric content in them, so you don't have to bother cooking turmeric anymore. Thank you for watching. I hope this question is useful, and see you in the next video.